Apple's AirPods Max are great headphones. In typical Apple fashion, they deliver a near-perfect, integrated experience. But there's something missing. What do you do when you're done listening? Sure, you can put the headphones in the case, but that's fiddly and just not convenient. Also, while battery life is great, you have to think of charging them and plug in a cable. We think there's a better way. Enter Max Stand. It's the ultimate stand for your AirPods Max. When you're done listening, simply put your AirPods on the stand. The stand is perfectly balanced, so your headphones stay put safely. And the best thing, your AirPods Max charge automatically when you put them on the Max stand. Simply insert a tiny connector into your AirPods once and leave it there. Now your AirPods connect to the Max stand magnetically, and you never have to worry about charging again. Max stand displays your beautiful headphones in style. It comes in the material and colors to match your personal AirPods. The top is made of soft plastic, matching the color of the headband. The base is made of solid stainless steel that matches the headband frame material. When you take your headphones on the go, they fit into the case with the magnetic connector attached. Max stand comes with a magnetic USB-C charging cable, so you can charge your headphones anywhere. We believe this is the best way to use your AirPods Max, and we think you will love it. We have created many prototypes and have finalized the design. Max stand feels premium and solid. It's the stand you will want for your AirPods Max. Now we need your help to get it into production, so back us today to be the first to get the stand your AirPods Max deserve.